Hello students, this is Ruchi Jain and in the series of video lecture for the subject business law, our today's topic of discussion is holder and holder in due course. Friends, in this topic, first we will discuss about the holder. According to section 8 of the Negotiable Instrument Act, a holder means a person who is entitled in his own name to the possession of the instrument. Next is who has also the right to receive or recover the amount due thereon from the parties. It means that a person must be entitled to keep the instrument in his own name. Physical possession is not necessarily for a person to become a holder. If a person found a lost instrument or if a person is in full possession of such instrument, he is also a holder and he must have acquired the title in a proper manner. This is called holder. Now, the next is holder in due course. Friends, according to section 9 of the Act, holder in due course in the case of the instrument payable to the bearer means any person who for consideration become its possessor because the amount mentioned in it become payable. In the case of an instrument payable to order, holder in due course means any person who become the payee or endorsee of the instrument before the amount mentioned in it become payable. In this case, he must receive the instrument without having sufficient cause to believe that any defect existed in the title of the person for whom he derived this title. In other words, a holder in due course means a person who takes the instrument bona fide for value before maturity and without any notice of defect in the title of the person who transferred it to him. It is essential that the holder should receive the instrument before maturity date. Whenever it is payable to the bearer or on order. When the instrument is received by a person after maturity date, he will have possession on it like the last transferor. The person who claims to be holder in due course and must prove that he obtains the instrument in good faith before maturity and for valuable consideration. So, that's all about holder and holder in due course. Thank you very much.